Sixers fans, one-time Temple star Aaron McKie. But now McKie's got some problems with the law. Live outside the Abington Gun Sports store in Willow Grove is Action News reporter Sarah Bloomquist. Sarah?
Big problems, Jim. Aaron McKie does not deny that he tried to buy 2 guns here at Abington Gun Sports, but prosecutors say the law prohibits the former NBA player from owning any guns right now, and that he in fact lied on the 2 forms required to purchase the weapons. His attorney says it was an honest mistake. Aaron McKie arrived at his afternoon arraignment in handcuffs. The 35-year-old Narberth resident surrendered after an investigation into his attempt to purchase 2 guns at this Willow Grove gun store on April 8th.
One was a .38 caliber Smith & Wesson handgun. The other was a 9mm Ruger handgun.
The law prohibits McKie from owning any guns. Last September, the mother of one of his children got a protection from abuse order against him. Also called a PFA, it requires McKie to stay away from her.
This is black and white. You are not permitted to purchase a firearm when you have an active PFA against you. This particular defendant was the subject of an active protection from abuse order. He is not permitted to purchase firearms, period.
Prosecutors displayed the federal and state forms McKie was required to fill out at the gun shop. On both, he denied he was the subject of any court order prohibiting him from having a gun. But an instant background check revealed the active restraining order, and the shop refused to sell him the guns. Aaron McKie was a star at Philadelphia's Simon Gratz High School and Temple University before his career in the NBA. His attorney said today that as a celebrity, McKie was simply trying to find a way to protect himself.
Aaron has never given up on Philadelphia. He's down here all the time. The neighborhood that he grew up in, he spends time raising money for, building playgrounds for, and Philadelphia has become a pretty dangerous place. And for athletes like himself, there's certainly no good reason for them not to try to protect their families and themselves by having firearms.
He added that Aaron McKie simply didn't understand the terms of the restraining order. Had he just waited until September when the order was lifted, he wouldn't be in any trouble now. McKie is charged with a 3rd-degree felony. If convicted, he faces 15 years behind bars. He's free on $50,000 bail tonight. Live in Willow Grove, I'm Sarah Bloomquist, Channel 6 Action News.